a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, there is a cow. E-I-E-I-O. What does the cow say? And a moo moo here, and a moo moo there. Eric and Ronaldo, oh McDonald had a farm. Oh, oh McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm there is a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. What does the sheep say? What does the sheep say? What does the sheep say? Bat, bat here and a bat, bat there. Here, bat there, bat. Everybody bat, bat. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What does the tiger say? What does the fish say? What does the what do you call it? Bird say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. How about chicken? How about um dog? What does a dog say? Woof woof. How about the cat? How about bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. How about horse? Horse? You cannot say the name. How about the pig? Oink, oink. How about the what else? Owl? What does owl say? Hoot hoot.